Ah, thank you very much. Have a seat. Good morning, everyone. Is it a cold morning today? I too felt that. Yesterday was good, I believe, right? Yeah, it was sunny, it was bright. Again, cold today. But I love cold. Daughter does too. Guys, thank you very much for coming today. I'm no more an important person. I'm just a person. Thank you for being here. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for waiting for all these setups. I appreciate that. Uh, Not always talks high about me. I don't know why. This is all about Akash, sir. He's a nice person. Yeah. And I know he has taught me good enough. As he told that I was very young. I think I was like 10 or 11 years old. 9. So I used to come to Rebel at that time. I was too young, sitting in Akash sir's lap. Not here. Rebel used to be on the other side. Rebel used to be on the other side. Uh, so there was no timing for us. Like for me, there was no timing. I can come anytime in any batch. Maybe a special shisse or a student of Akasha. Yeah. This place has given me a lot of benefits. A lot of has I mean this place has taught me a lot. I remember even in my very young age, like 11 or 13, I don't because I stayed connected with Rebel for a very long time, studying in Rebel. So cases give some I used to give some lectures. I mean, so those kind of opportunities get grow grow deeper. Um, some of my friends say that um, I like to be called on a stage, like to speak. It's true because by very young age I was like taught by Akash or how to speak. Rebel gave me a platform to speak in front of any other people, different subject like any subject, like after preparation, without preparation. So I'm very thankful for this platform. I can't be faster. Thankfulness of very interesting part of language. We need language. Language is a carrier of many our values, or blah blah. Keep on adding. It is one of the most complex tool developed by. If I think I can talk more deeper about language, but that comes to mind. This is the this is one of the most complex invention, or I always love to say development, but something we have developed, because it is a still developing. Language is a still developing. It will never stop developing. I'm not talking about any specific language. I'm talking about communication, verbal communication, non-verbal communication. अब मैं कोई हिंदी डेवलप होगी, मैं ये बात नहीं कर, कान बोलेगा, ये डेवलप होता चला जाए, कभी भी नहीं रुकेगा. And this, when you study deeply, I don't say I study deep. Yes, a very key. Like I try to observe these books. Nowadays, it's very dig into any to dig into any word. So you will feel that we are still developing very, very, very fast pace, very fast pace. This era, or let's say 50 years from now, when English, importance of English came into existence because of in the oceans of 200 years. Um, Later, deep into the land of India or any other country, people have started learning or accepting foreign language. We have been accepting foreign languages ever since, but very you can easily observe, you can easily see rebel one. I can bet you people used to have respect for both. In fact, I have a lot of work on it. So, by the way, I can speak Bhojpuri in too many different versions. UP guy can't realize I'm not from UP. Harry guy is same. If you go further towards west, I can speak many versions of Balia Bhojpuri is also part of Bhojpuri for me. Interestingly, so what I'm saying is uh, that was the time like when the deep lands, the mainlands of any other countries. I can give you example for India. It's easy to observe. Uh, accepted or started learning a new language. Crazy. Oh, we need to. So what I'm trying to say is um, communication or the capability of human being to communicate means making a noise, making a voice here, giving it some twist and create some meaning version to yes, it will keep developing. It will never. You get my point? Too boring. So sometimes I go deep into myself and I love to say what I love to hear or what I love to learn. So stop me whenever you don't like it. So our topic is language and ethics. I can talk together, clubbing it both, or I can talk separately. It depends. It depends on your interest, by the way. So as I told you, language is a carrier. You know carrier? Huh? साइकिल के पीछे carrier होता है. So that's the carrier basically. A vehicle has something on the top, yeah, where you put your luggage and you tie it. That's a carrier. So interestingly, many people call career as a carrier. Yeah, carrier. So language is a carrier. Okay. Our and our ethics. What is ethics, by the way? Very good. I mean, a branch of philosophy which, when it talks about set of moral values or goods and bads and all those stuff, then they call it, hey, this is it. Yeah. The philosophy term it this branch, the branch which talks about moralities, values, goods and bads, they call it ethics. Yeah. It's a term. It has a definition, and you can read about it. So going back to the language, language is basically the carrier, right? Which communicates among us, not in unidirectional, multi-directional way, or that what ethics are. The basic things about human being is we know what is good and what is bad. At the same time, we can differentiate between good and bad. We can decide, since we have a free will, to do good or to do bad. Means we can choose to do good or we can choose to do bad. That's why we call someone, hey, that's a bad person, that's a good person, that's a good deed, that's a bad deed. Right or wrong? Interestingly. So can someone help me to know what is a good deed? What is a good deed? पुण्य का काम किसे कहते हैं? नेकी का काम किसे कहते हैं? Just give a guess. Speak up. आप बोल सकते हो जोर से. Help others. Good. Say it loud. I think, what's your name? Also has put some few key things which I want to extract from there. Do good. It's not individual. It's a collective. It's for a collective or bigger good. These are some good points. Yeah. Anybody else? Okay. Answer is I don't know, but I have extracted for myself few things. The few things are, example. No. I mean, I was listening to an ebook. By the way, you can nowadays you can't, if you don't have time to read books, you can listen to the books. If you're driving, going somewhere, जो गाना सुनते हैं ना, you're listening to music. Hey, listen to me. Very good. But at the same time, you can also listen to books. Yeah, just get some applications, pay some money. It's very cheap nowadays. Maybe 500 real will bring you 500 rupees will bring you 500 books. Don't know. So one of a scholar from Pakistan, he was saying that uh, basically he's migrated from India, saying that anything which acts harmony of which acts which acts for or which contributes to universal harmony is a good thing. But it is limited to your language. Sorry, it's limited to your knowledge. Get my point? I'll repeat again. Uh, given your knowledge, given your knowledge, your act must sync with universal harmony. That is a good deed. Is it difficult to understand? Yeah, okay, that's good. So always, and I have made this example for myself and my audience to always to make them understand is, I'll give an example, very simple example. This is a plastic bottle, right? If I throw this plastic bottle outside and I don't reuse it, okay, will it cause any environmental damage? Yes or no? Because we know the reason. It goes and it doesn't decompose easily, or it doesn't decompose at all. So if I spit out, does it cause any harm, any environmental damage? Yes or no? Yes. So no, both answers are right. I mean yes, because it is dirty, it's littering. It doesn't match our moral values. However, Bihar mein moral values are different. You can chew tobacco and you can throw it anywhere. So that's why it's. Oh yeah, interesting part is ethics and moralities are entwined in most cases, but sometimes they both separate their path. Yeah. So हो सकता है कि it is possible that in my place, in our place, yeah, if you chew tobacco and you spit it out, it's not that bad. Okay, but it is bad, right? It is bad, right? Yeah. Okay. Interesting. So I was trying to explain you out. Yeah. So yeah, uh, any action, if in my knowledge, is harming not only this earth, but it may harm Mars or Moon, Sun, I should not be doing that. You understand what I mean? Universal harmony. Universal harmony means if I throw a banana skin on the road, yes, I know someone may step on it and may fall. Let's say that I throw it in a place where nothing will happen. But in my knowledge, since I am a scientist, I came to know, my research or study, that throwing a banana in here will cause no damage to this earth, but may cause damage to sun doing that. See this approach? It's a crazy approach, right? Crazy approach. So now, just imagine where our society is. I'm giving you some check. Where our society is. Are we thinking like that? Or is it a joke? Now, if I say this, that this should be your approach, don't you think it's a joke in our society now? We are so selfish. Selfish. So selfish. So that skin, I'm giving you another scenario. That banana skin, if you throw, will give good to your garden, but it will damage water table in America.